Alright, Christian Rivera here at Classic Cars of Palm Beach. We are doing a walk around video on this 2012 Fiat Pop. This thing is so cool. We do these videos to point out any flaws or blemishes whatsoever, so let's get started right away. Front bumper seems to be in really good condition. Headlights are in great shape. Front hood's got various different chips just from road rocks and stuff like that. Okay, front fender looks good on the driver's side. Got a couple of chips right here. Wheel looks good. Tires are in great shape. Got various different chips on this car. The rear of the car looks fantastic. Passenger side looks real good. Again, some of those same chips. The glass is good. You can't see it now, but there's no chips, no stars, no bursts, no cracks on the glass. Okay. Interior looks fantastic. Seats look real good. All the buttons look real good. The headliner is in great shape. The top works fantastic. There is no smoke smell, no mold or mildew smell, no pet or dander smell. Starts right up, super easy. No warning lights on. Love these cars. No smoke smell, no mold or mildew, no pet or dander smell. I'm going to open this just a little bit so you can see that it works. And there it goes.